Hello guys, and in today's video I will show you how to install additional face watches for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. Let's get started, but firstly don't forget to follow to see more useful content. So, as a first step, make sure that your watch is connected to a Wi-Fi. If not and you don't know how to do it, you can check out the video on our channel where I showed how to connect this exact watch to a Wi-Fi connection. Now, as a next step, we need to swipe up to see the applications on our watch and click on this Google Play Store icon. Scroll down and click on this tab Browse Watch Faces. Right here, go through the all available watch faces and choose the one which you like the most. For example, I will click on this one and click Install. After the application have been successfully installed, now we can make it as our watch face. Click on this home button to go back to a home page. Hold your finger on your screen until you will see this menu appear. Swipe to the left until you will see this plus Add Watch Face. Click on it and scroll down to the end of the page. And right here, if we go a little bit higher, you will see that this tab name's downloaded, and you should be able to see the watch face that you have just downloaded in the Google Play Store. And after this, just simply click on it and it have successfully installed. Click on your home button and now you can enjoy your new custom watch face. That was all for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you so much for watching.